Good morning, children. Happy to welcome you back for today's session. First, let's recall what you have learned in your previous session. In the previous video, you have learned about skip counting. Today, we will learn about an interesting concept of numbers, even and odd numbers, and ordinal numbers. You know, when we have only one thing, we call it single. Like when we have only one shoe, we call it single shoe. Or when you have only one sock, we call it single sock. But when we have two shoes, we call it a pair of shoes. Two socks are called a pair of socks. We wear always shoes and socks in a pair, not single. And gloves also come in a pair. A pair of earrings mean two earrings. You must have seen your mother wearing a pair of earrings. The bicycle has a pair of wheels. Have you seen your mother or your grandmother knitting sweaters for you? The knitting needles also come in pair. Birds too have a pair of wings. A pair of glasses, a pair of scissors, a pair of headphones, a pair of eyes, some more things which come in pair. Children, you know how many wheels are there in a car? Let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 make a pair. 3, 4 also make a pair. So, we have two pairs of wheels. Remember, the tricycle which all the kids love to ride as a baby, it has 3 wheels. Then, how many pairs can we make with them? Let us see. 1, 2, 3 wheels. 1, 2 make a pair. The third one is, that is, front one is left alone. So, only a pair of wheels can be formed and only one wheel is left alone. Same way, have you seen in the auto rickshaw how many wheels it has? 1 in the front, 2 at back. So, it has 3 wheels. How many pairs of wheels can we make? At the back, the wheels are in a pair. Here too, the front one is left alone. You know, the numbers which can be matched in pairs are called even numbers. So, 2 is called an even number. How about 4? 4 is an even number. As we saw, we can form 2 pairs. What do we call the numbers which cannot form pairs? Well, they are called odd numbers. So, odd numbers cannot be matched in pairs. Always one will be left alone. 3, 5 are called odd numbers. Let's see a few more examples. 15. As you know, pair means a set of two things. Here, we can make pairs like this. 1 pair, 2 pairs, 3 pairs, 4 pairs, 5 pairs, 6 pairs, 7 pairs, and 1 left alone. After grouping the pairs, at last, we have 1 apple without pair. Hence, 15 is called an odd number. 26. Here also we can form pairs like this. 1 pair, 2 pairs, 3 pairs, 4 pairs, 5 pairs, 6 pairs, 7 pairs, 8 pairs, 9 pairs, 10 pairs, 11 pairs, 12 pairs, 13 pairs. Here it forms multiple groups of 2
without any remainder.
so it is called an even number. Next, we'll move on to ordinal numbers. The numbers which give us the exact position of an object are called ordinal numbers. For example, the picture shows some athletes competing in a 400-meter race. We can use ordinal numbers to define their position. The numbers first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th tell the position of different athletes in the race. Hence, all of them are ordinal numbers. Similarly, the picture shows the different floors in a building. We can use ordinal numbers to define their position. Here are the first 10 ordinal numbers. As the list shows, we can write ordinal numbers as a word or as a number. Children, I hope you all have understood the concept of even and odd numbers and ordinal numbers. Let's check the answers of previous assignment.
Now it's time for today's assignment.
Kindly follow the given example and complete the given assignment. Thank you. Have a good day.